With 44,000 employees worldwide, Cardinal Health manufactures or sources over 400,000 products to support patients across the continuum of care. We sell or distribute in more than 30 countries. The Cardinal Health Medi-Vac suction system is manufactured in our own plants located in the US and Europe, with strict adherence to industry standards and regulations. We strive to reduce landfill burden, conserve water, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and design products and services that reduce environmental impact. When you choose Cardinal Health Medi-Vac suction systems, you choose a supplier with more than 40 years of experience and a commitment to sustainable practices. Learn more at cardinalhealth.com.